What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another edition of the Dropping Professor. For those of you who are new to the channel, I am your host, as always, Rashid White. All right, let's get into this video over here. Those of you who don't know, I'm a bus driver. This actually comes out of Gilbert, South Carolina, and it's a school bus crash involving a tanker. And we got to see who's actually at fault here. And me personally, I don't look at who's at fault. I look at how can these accidents be prevented, and also shows us the importance of actual intersection safety there. You know, be careful in these intersections. But let's get into this video here. Let's look at this. School bus driver. Alright, so right now you can actually see this truck. He is coming at full speed. He's doing 35 miles an hour, and he has no intentions of actually stopping. So you, as a school bus driver, and I see a lot of these school bus drivers when I'm actually, out there on the road. I drive 10 hours a day. These school bus drivers, I mean, a lot of these guys want to get home. They rush, they make mistakes, and you have to be really, really careful, because like something like this, that takes a couple of moments, seconds, like 30, 40 seconds to really identify whether this tanker is actually going to stop or not. It's going to cost you hours and hours and hours of paperwork, and probably going to lose your job over this. So they're going to look at this accident as a preventable accident on both parts. Now, if you're the tanker over here, you actually have to see this school bus is actually moving. So you don't know. You can't assume that, oh, okay, well, I have the right of way, and he's supposed to stop. You don't know if this school bus driver actually passed out behind the wheel, is having a medical episode or anything like that. You don't know that. So you actually have to slow down, especially at this intersection. Now, everybody, I was reading the comment section on here, and it's like, oh, well, the school bus driver, he had the right of way. I'm sorry, the tanker had the right of way, and the school bus didn't. But listen, this is a preventable accident on both parties here, not just one. Both of them. And if any, kids have died over here, you're looking at like vehicular manslaughter charges for the school bus operator here. So, I mean, let's finish watching this. Man, this is a stupid accident, man. And like I said, I'm gonna really put this more so on the tanker. And people will look at me like, hey, Rashid, you're kind of crazy. I'm not crazy. I deal with this stuff every single day, every single day, 10 hours a day, 6-7 days a week. I'm constantly driving, and I do drive a bus, and stuff like this happens to me all the time. Intersections, you have to slow down. If your speed limit is about 35 miles an hour, and especially if you're a professional driver. I don't know who's training these people over here, man, but you cannot, when you're driving a bus, you're driving a truck, you cannot operate these things like they are cars. You're held to a high standard. You're supposed to have more levels of training than your average driver out here. So you can't think like you're driving a car. So especially if you're operating a school bus over here. So I mean, both parties, in my humble opinion over here, this is an accident that is totally preventable over here. Let's take our time. Let's take our time out there and understand the big picture of things. And yeah, this school bus driver, I don't know, man. There's a lot of lawsuits right here. This is definitely insane. All right, so I will wrap this video up. Like, comment, subscribe. Certainly share this video. And when you share, the universe certainly shares back with you. Peace.